I released this over 13 years ago. I think it's actually 14 years ago now. Wait to see what someone would turn this into. What the human mind could turn this into. To go against military. To get everybody. To release this out to the world. So it's not a registered trademark. We're top secret. See which country would pick it up. I'm so glad to see someone actually did. It's not my original design, but running through the concept of it inside my mind, testing it, it might actually do what it's supposed to do. I can foresee the V-Gate design here. That's probably going to be the most productive one they've got here. Testing it inside my own mind. That's all I'm doing. I don't actually have these models. I'm glad to see someone actually stepped up and did this.